Heidi ho, all my little YouTubers. Okay, something a bit different for you. Pretty sexy looking coin, eh? Republic of Kenya, 10 cents. I like it, 1969. Yeah, I like it a lot. Okay. Yep, here we go again. Let's punch a hole in it with the penetrator. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. And she's behaving herself. She's not dripping today. I don't like it when she's dripping everywhere. She makes a mess. Okay, I think that went through. And yes, again, I've got to smash it on its bottom. Who's a naughty boy then? What I have to do is, I don't know. Here we go again. This does my head in. Not every time, it's just sometimes. Like nearly every bloody time. See, and the punch part came out with it as well. It's a good punch though. About 600 bucks with all the punches. Not cheap, but I did buy a cheap one to start with. I should know better. Working with tools all my life. You never buy crap, cheap, rubbish tools. But I did when I started this. I thought 600 bucks for one of them. Jesus wept. This other one on Etsy or eBay looked just as good. So yeah, I bought it. 84 euros that was. Absolute waste of money. When you get good tools, they last you a lifetime. It's like a woman. You get a good woman, she'll last you a lifetime. You get a bad one, you're going to pay for it. I'm lucky I've got a great lady. We both like exactly the same stuff, you know. We both like rock and roll. Right, there you go. That is now deburred by Chris. So let's show it some warmth and affection. Burn his fire starter. I think my gas spot was getting a bit low. Got any suggestions, things you want me to make, or you'd like me to make you a custom ring? Drop us a line. Check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I think that'll do. Crunch that baby. Right. Let's dry it off. Well, obviously, that's going to be sunny side up on the ring. Well, I say obviously, I mean, okay, the president's got a hole in his head, but I quite like that. Yeah, let's stick with that. So this is a 17-degree folding die. It goes face down. And we'll try and get it as level as possible. That's pretty good. I'll go over to Big Red. It's a 1-ton arbor press. You could pick these up just about anywhere. Oh yeah, that's like butter. But we now want to stick it in a slightly smaller one. So it goes all the way through, cocks it up a bit. That's good. Make that sandy. Just clean up the edge a bit. Give me quite a wide band. And there you go. Beautiful. Not like my fingers. They're not so beautiful. Right. Bit of kitchen roll. Let's use a new bit, shall we? And go over to spike. This is a ring stretcher. And yep, you guessed it. Go on, you can say it. I won't say it this time. You can say it. Leave a comment. What does this do? If you've watched my channel a few times, you know what this does. So I'm not going to say it this time. I'll let you guys say it. No cracks forming, no splits. Needs a bit more. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button, bottom right hand side corner of this video. If you'd like to hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And if you'd like to hit the like button, because I need some more love. There you go. Yeah, I make custom rings for people. Wedding bands. I've even made wedding bands for people as well. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be quite a big ring. Now I just want to straighten up them walls. So let's go down to here for a second. What we got? What we got? What we got? That doesn't fit in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then, let's start off with the bottom end of spike. I seem to have mislaid one of my 17-degree folding dies. But let's try this one. Maybe a little bit, oh I don't know, I was going to say a little bit the other way. Maybe a touch more. Just a touch. That's better. Right, does it need anything cut out on the inside? With Chris? Yes, it does. See that lip there? That wants to come out. Cut it out. If in doubt, cut it out. Because if you don't cut this out, it causes the ring to become uncomfortable. Plus it also gives you a full size as well. Because you've just got that little bit, that sort of 1/2 mil all the way around the ring. But when you cut this out, it also drops the size of the ring by one size smaller. That's pretty good. That's nice. Bit for me, bit for you, bit for the girl next door, eh? There you go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it fits that finger nicely. Right, let's clean it up. Let's get some polish on it. Well, first of all, let's get Kate on it. Oh, Kate's looking sad today. I did get some more today. The inside. Yeah, it's quite sexy, isn't it, eh? I like it. 69. My favourite number. Right. Let's get some polish on it. I'll get out my new very, very clean cloth. And then we'll whip round with Felton John for the top part. Clean my mandy pandies. Right, let's chuck in Felton John. Well, that's for you. I don't love you anymore. You don't even try, do you? Look at you. Just a bloody mess. Sorry, darling, you're gonna have to go. My girlfriend finishes these off, because my hands are still covered in bloody polish and oil and God knows what else. Cornflakes maybe, because I had cornflakes for breakfast this morning. And sometimes I have Weetabix. There could be Weetabix on them. Right, that's good. So if you're looking for a custom ring or anything, You got any ideas, suggestions, drop us a line. Leave something under the video. Like the subscribe button. Like the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Show me some affection on this day with no leaves on the trees. It's windy. My cats, in the summer, they practically live on the balcony because it's an enclosed balcony with glass, and we put all their climbing things out there. Everything's indoors now. Now they want to go out, and as soon as you open the door and their little nose touches outside, they think, nah, I'm not going out there today. In the summer, they're there all the time. We've got like a sofa out there, and we put their little climbing toy things out there. Right, there you go, folks. That's pretty damn good, isn't it? I do clear coat these as well now, just in case you have any allergies. Right, what size we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin. This isn't reeded, it's milled, but it's the same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 71 1/4. The US size would be a size 14. UK size Z+2. Bloody Z+2. Right, thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit any button, you know. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. So bye bye.